Our entrepreneur joins the den virtually from British Columbia.
Hello, Dragons. My name is Ra-zor Slide. I'm an inventor by heart, seeking $500,000 for 10% stake in my business, Ra-zor Slide Pro. Disposable razor blades are so expensive that they're now sold behind locked boxes in the stores.
It's crazy.
In earlier days, everybody was sharpening their razors with a strop.
Yeah.
Ra-zor Slide Pro is a precision razor blade sharpening tool that is very easy and safe to use. It can help reduce the consumption of razor blades from 100 razor blades down to 2 razor blades per year. This helps us to save a chunk of money, protect the environment, while we still enjoy a smooth shave every day. Vincenzo,
Yes.
could I ask you to enjoy a smooth shave with me with Ra-zor Slide Pro?
Sure. I like the way you raised your hands. You were very Italian in the way you raised your hands. That's right, exactly.
You place a new blade onto these arrows, then push it through once.
So I take this, like that?
Yes, it's not that hard, like that. Arlene, you're doing it perfectly.
Thank you.
Roger's invention uses a 7-layer sharpening surface,
That is easy peasy lemon squeezy.
which he says will keep any 3-blade razor sharp for up to 6 months.
You know what? It's very smooth, huh?
Roger plans to sell each Ra-zor Slide Pro for $29.95.